What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am the Dividend Team. Today we're going to talk about what we do when your stock drop and you're in a red. It's a red day. So what do y'all do? But first, please like some videos, subscribe, comment. Yeah. So today looks like I've been in a red today, down 5.5%. My portfolio going up a little bit after hours, but yeah. So I just want to talk about what you guys do when you're in the red. I think that a lot of people, they panic, they sell. And you see, going through a couple of my stocks, look like I'm in there, all red, bloody up. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people, new investors, they'll come on here and they would, sell out. But me, I never do this. I should do the opposite. I think there's stock that I like. I should put more money into it. I think people kind of get in and see they're losing money, they panic, they're afraid of, losing money. But I think there's stock that I like. Like, for example, this one right here, one of my favorite ones right here, Microvision. I think that's what I do is, I put more in. I think this one of these stocks that, you can probably hold for the long term. Especially you got a stock that you can buy and hold for the long term. So yeah, I just want to get on real quick. Let's talk about my little strategy. Yeah, let me know what you guys strategy. When you see the stock drop, you in the red, do you panic and sell? Do you sell and it's buy back again? Ain't me. I like to, buy more. Well, I tend to grow my portfolio and, grow my stock. I think long term, this is really how you make money. I think a good strategy. We want to, buy the dips and sell the highs. That's what they say. So yeah, just let me know real quick in the comment section. Make sure you like what you got strategy when you in a red. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and be back at it tomorrow. Peace.